and I'm vlogging, so it's a car vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Today we are going to talk about collabs, because I know a lot of stuff goes around on YouTube about sponsored content, collabs. I think it's much different like in the beauty space with the whole collabs and PR and sponsored content. So first I just wanted to talk about the difference between the three, because I think a lot of times that's problematic for people because they just don't understand what the difference is. So PR is when a company sells you, or a company sends you product as, you know, their part of their marketing, but they aren't necessarily asking you to do a review or do anything specific with that product. I mean, obviously they're hoping that you will, and usually people do, but there's no like attachment to what you would do with it. Collabs are usually, in my experience, when a company contacts you, and we're just gonna keep it wiggy because I'm talking about wigs. When a company contacts you and asks you to review a wig, and then there might be certain parameters on that collab, like if they want it on Instagram and YouTube, just Instagram, just YouTube. If they want, you know, video, photos, like the time frame, all of that stuff. So that would be a collab. And then sponsored content is when you're being paid to review, talk about, use a particular product. And sponsorships don't necessarily have to be bad. I mean, a lot of us, especially like small creators, we put not especially, like larger creators do too, but small creators for the most part are doing a lot of this alone, the filming, the editing. You know, I put so much time and effort into my channel. Like lately, for the last several months, I've been uploading every single day, and so I put a lot of time into my channel, and so we need to make money so we can continue to make the videos for you. I don't know why that's become such a dirty thing to talk about. It's like everything you do, everywhere you go, people are making money doing a job, but that doesn't mean that the service that they're doing for you isn't amazing. You know, in my job, I essentially put on events, and yeah, I'm being paid to do it, but it doesn't mean it's subpar. You know, it doesn't mean I don't care. It doesn't mean I'm not excited and dedicated, and hoping that, you know, the event is liked and they get something out of it. Yeah, of course, paycheck or not, but the paycheck makes it a lot easier. So yeah, so recently I just wanted to talk about the collabs that I've gotten so far. Especially the most recent one is very exciting, just because of how like it came about. But so far I have collabed with 3 companies. I have not technically been sent PR, because the wigs that I've been sent for free so far were in the understanding that I would do a review, an honest review, but do a review and, you know, post pictures and links and things like that. So I don't consider that PR, because, you know, it's not like, although I'm not paying for the wig, you know, I'm exchanging my time and my service of reviewing wigs. I'm always very clear when I do collabs, because I'm going to have my honest opinion no matter what. You know, I'm not 20-something. This isn't my main gig. I don't have any reason to like not be honest. I just don't care. I've been poor in my life. I've been rich in my life. And honestly, there wasn't much difference outside of the fact of like worrying. No, even when I was rich, there was worrying, because you had more stuff to worry about anyway. So that to me isn't really important. That being said, I'm not just gonna trash something because I don't like it. If the quality's not there, I'm more concerned with the quality, the price, that sort of thing. But wigs, just like clothes, makeup, different wigs are for different people. And I want to make sure that I am reviewing wigs for all of the people that watch me, not just wigs that I personally like. So I may say that in the review, like this, and this I don't particularly like, but if that's not something that bothers you, that's cool. These are things that I do like, and these are the parts of this wig that may be good for this type of person or that type of person. So for the most part, unless the wig is trash, I don't feel like there needs to be necessarily like a, what's the word, a bad review, outside of the fact, like I said, if the construction's crap, if it's falling apart, well, yeah, like that's anything. So so far I have collaborated with Charisma wigs, and I have reviewed a few, at least 2 or 3 for them. And you can see them on my channel, and I have a playlist. I was buying their wigs way before they sent them to me. That's honestly how they found me, because I kept buying and posting and tagging them. And then let's see what else. I have collabed once with Cos Wigs. And that was a cosplay wig. It was a full cap cosplay wig. It was a cute little, like, long pink wig. But I said that in the video. This isn't a daily wear wig. This is a cosplay wig. I do have a card vlog up on what the difference between daily wear, cosplay, and fashion wigs are. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and check that video out. And then recently I got contacted by the wig company, and the funny thing was is that collab happened because I always tag the companies when I put on Instagram, and I accidentally tagged them. It was an accident. So they were like, oh, hey, that was an accidental tag, but we love your Instagram, we love what you're doing, would you like to collab with us? And it was like just serendipity. That's how it happened. So that was super exciting. They sent me 3 wigs to review. I asked them what their parameters were, and it was just like, hey, just do what you do, honest review, just make sure that people know where they can buy it, and tag us if you put pictures on Instagram. I was like, we're okay. So far I've reviewed 1 of the 3. That was Miss Fascinating. I have 2 more to do. I'm off a lot this week, so I'm going to do the rest this week, so I'm excited. But yeah, so some dream collabs for me. I would really, you know how I feel about Free Trust Equal and Model. If I could do collabs for them, I would lose my mind, because I love them. And I also would, you know, really just love to collab maybe with a human hair wig. You know what, I did do one, I'm sorry, I did one other collab for a human hair wig, and that was the Niflon, I think it is. It's on my channel. But I would like to collab a little bit more with human hair wigs. I don't use them as much, and I would like the opportunity to like play around and, you know, try some techniques that you guys are interested in, and that sort of thing. You know, and all the goodies that I love, you know, Jana Collection, Motown Tress, Bishi, you know, Main Concept, all the main players in the game, Bobby Boss. But for like, I would love Free Trust Equal and Model, because I love them legitimately, and Made Beauty, because I think they're kind of all in the same vein. But yeah, so I just want to talk a little bit about, you know, collabs, sponsorships, PR. It's starting to happen a little bit for me, and I'm excited about that, but I just wanted to talk about the difference and give you some clarity on that. And no matter what happens, I'm going to tell you what I really think. You always know. I can't hide it on my face anyway. I can't even edit some of that stuff out, so you'll know regardless. But that's not going to change. And yeah, so what collabs would you like to see me do? Like, what kind of wigs or whatever would you like to see me delve into in a collaboration situation? I'd be interested to hear that. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video.